What's up, Travis Shaju here, back again with another video for you guys. And to be very honest, I do not feel like talking about anything tech related today. So I just decided that this might just be a good time to talk about and make a video about a question that a couple of people have been asking me about, which is how do you make this type of videos? Like, what's the process from shooting to editing to uploading, start to finish? What's the process like? So in this video, I'm going to be covering the process of making a video, a YouTube video, or whatever you guys might call it, whatever video you guys want to make. And that's it. So let's roll that intro. Yeah. What else do I say after roll that intro? So now there's actually a 5-step process to making one of these videos, one of these YouTube videos. And this process involves coming up with the idea, script writing, shooting the video like what I'm doing right now, editing it in post-production, and actually uploading it to you guys for you to see. Now when it comes to coming up with an idea, there are various ways in which I come up with an idea. Sometimes I get ideas by watching other YouTubers' videos. I also come up with video ideas by doing keyword research to find out stuff that people are actually searching for before I make a video, and different methods. Sometimes I also come up with videos like in my sleep, like I just wake up and I'm like, I would love to make a video about that specific thing. So when it comes to coming up with ideas for videos, there are like various ways in which I cook up or come up with one of these ideas. Now the second part after coming up with the idea is the aspect of script writing. And what script writing really is writing the script, writing what you are going to say to the audience, to the people you're trying to make the video to. And I know it is almost impossible to write down every single word you're going to say. So what I do is that I write out like key points that I do not want to miss. So for example, in the Xeon Smooth video that I made, the key points were the introduction, what I'm going to say in the introduction, I'm explaining what a gimbal is to you guys who don't know, what's in the box, stuff I like and stuff I do not like. That is kind of like an outline to make sure that I'm always talking about the stuff I'm supposed to be talking about and not digressing into other nitty-gritty stuff. So the script helps you organize, and yeah, that's honestly the purpose of script writing and writing a script. Now the third part of this 5-part process is the shooting part, where I shoot the video. I actually shoot on the Canon 1300D, which is an amazing beginner level camera on a mini tripod, as you guys can see. And I actually batch shoot. That means I shoot most of my videos on the same day. A lot of you guys didn't know that if I didn't tell you, but because I hardly ever have time in school and everything, I just come back home and shoot the videos I'm going to edit for a month. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now the fourth part of this process is the editing process. And I actually edit on Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. Now editing is actually like the cooking process, because shooting, coming up with the idea, script writing, all those things are like raw ingredients. Editing is like the cooking process where you actually cook up the video and create it or prepare it, where you add the condiments, the seasonings and all those fancy stuff. And editing is actually a really important part, because if editing goes wrong or there's something wrong with the post-production process, almost all the stuff you've done beforehand are like null and void. I spend a lot more time editing, color grading, getting the right soundtracks and all that stuff. And contrary to popular opinion, it's not actually as tough as a lot of people think it is. I always advise people to like dive in and learn Adobe Premiere Pro or Photoshop or one of these Adobe softwares. So I digress. Editing is the fourth part of this process, and it takes me like 2 or 3 days sometimes to edit one of these videos. And that's not because it takes that long, it's just because most of the time I'm preoccupied with school and I do not have so much time to like sit down for like 4 or 5 hours and edit a video from start to finish. Now the fifth part of this process is the part where I upload the video to you guys. And funny thing is, I actually upload my videos like a day or 2 days before, and it is uploaded to YouTube, but it's actually a private video that YouTube actually releases on Fridays by 8:30. So most of the videos you see on Fridays are already pre-edited and uploaded like days before Friday. Just thought to throw that in there. And that's it. That's the 5-part process to making a YouTube video or whatever video you guys are thinking about making. Whether it being a video for a client or you just want to start out on YouTube, which I will honestly advise you to, that is the process of making one of these videos. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to punch that like button, punch that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell icon so you will not miss out on any of my videos. And if you want me to do more of these like YouTube video creation breakdown stuff, maybe once in a while, let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this one and you want to see more of it. And that's it. I'll see you guys next week Friday. Subscribe if you are new here, hit the like button so YouTube recommends this video to other people, and I will see you guys, like I said, on Friday next week. Peace.